Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss how to set up branch plus date-wise targets in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module. Under Branch Setup, click to open the Setup Branch plus Date-wise Targets window. First, select the branch name for which you want to set the target. Then define the date range for which the target needs to be set, as the monthly target will be allocated date-wise. Here, you will see the break-even point target option. The break-even point is the stage where total sales equal total costs, meaning there is no profit and no loss. The break-even point target value refers to the sales amount required to reach this point and cover all expenses. Enter the value accordingly. Next, define the annual business plan target value. You can also define the break-even point target quantity, which is the number of units the company needs to sell to reach the break-even point. Additionally, you can define the annual business plan target quantity. After defining all the targets, save the changes. You can review the defined targets under Entry mode. Targets can also be imported through an Excel sheet. By clicking on Excel Help, you can check the columns required in the sheet. Simply browse and select the Excel file from your device. You can enable the direct import option to import the data instantly, or you can refresh the data and click on Import Items. To view the report, go to the Reports and Queries section from the menu bar. Under Customer plus Item Sales Analysis, open the Branch plus Date-wise Target versus Achievement report. Select the branch, define the date, and generate the report. Here, you will be able to clearly see the defined break-even point target and annual business plan target, along with the achieved sales value. The report also displays the defined quantity targets and the quantity actually sold, allowing you to easily compare the planned targets with the achieved performance.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.